In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer is not seeing or using a 5 gigahertz based Wi-Fi connection. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in Device Manager. Best result, you come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go and select where it says network adapters. Just go ahead and double click on that entry in here. And then there should be an item that says network connection. Right click on it and select properties. Select the advanced tab. And now you want to locate something that says preferred band on the left panel. If you see one, you would select it, and on the right side of the value, you click the drop down and select 5 gigahertz. Please note that not all Wi-Fi cards support 5 gigahertz connection, and that's certainly an explanation as to why you don't see it here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.